Hey kids, welcome to the Knowledge Tree. Today we are going to talk about something super cool, compound words. But before we start our video, here is a little intro about compound words. Compound words are like word puzzles. You take two small words and put them together to make one big word with a special meaning. It's like making new words by mixing and matching. See, this is a cup and this is a cake. But when we put cup and cake together, we get cupcake. Look, there's a dragon and there's a fly. But when we put dragon and fly together, we get dragonfly. Watch closely. Here's ice and here's cream. But when we put ice and cream together, we get ice cream. Check it out. You've got the sun over here, and you've got a flower right there. But when we combine sun and flower, we create something called sunflower. See this butter like what you put on your toast? And here's a fly. But when we put butter and fly together, we get something beautiful called a butterfly. See those shiny stars up in the night sky and look at this amazing fish from the ocean. But when we put star and fish together, we get starfish. Watch closely. Here's pan and here's cake. But when we put pan and cake together, we get pancake. See? There's the rain, and there's a colorful bow. But when we put rain and bow together, we get a rainbow. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content.